Okay, so this is just kind of a quick little video from us riding at Turkey Bay the other day. I had actually been sick the past few days leading up to this, and really didn't feel like spending a bunch of time trying to video and ride. So I just got a few clips here. We did find some pretty sweet single track. Not a big section or anything, but we kind of got out there and burned around on it, and there was a few good hill climbs, but we mainly just kind of got out and played around. It was a good day, and we basically had the whole park to ourselves. So hope you enjoy. Outside right now, but damn, I'm sweating my ass off. Truck, get a drink, and lose this damn sweatshirt. So the camera doesn't really do these hills any justice, but they're actually pretty dang steep, and of course there I blew the GoPro plumb off my helmet, but no, these were some real fun hills to play on. That was pretty steep. This is some of that single track we found. I don't know who cut it, but whoever you are, you're awesome. It was a fun little section to play on. Had some pretty good hills on it. Okay, so here I just wasn't paying any attention, and this log kind of snuck up on me. Oh!
I jumped that log this morning. I kind of forgot about it. I wasn't ready.
So if you've never been to Turkey Bay, it's located basically right in the center of Land Between the Lakes in western Kentucky. It's super fun, super rocky, hilly, technical type riding. There is also like a main loop that you can run around. That's pretty smooth and fast and flowy. But you can ride anything here. I've been here in Jeeps, dirt bikes, side-by-sides, but honestly the Tenere is probably one of my favorite, mainly just because everybody looks at you like you're crazy. Actually this morning here, as soon as I got there, I had a guy on a KTM look at me and go, "Why would you ride a bike like that here?" And basically my answer was, because I can. It's fun. It's a big, heavy bike with a lot of power, and it just takes a little different mentality to force that thing around on some of them hills and in the loose, rocky sections. But it's an absolute blast, and really it doesn't matter what you ride. Turkey Bay is fun. It's got something for everybody, especially if you like hills and rocks. But it's a pretty park along the edge of the lake. In the summertime, you ride, swim, camp, whatever you want to do. It's just it's an awesome park. So this is about all the footage I got for the day. I'm just going to kind of finish it off here of us riding around the edge of the lake. But if you liked the video, want to see more of Turkey Bay or the Tenere, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. But until next time, we'll see y'all.